Hey everyone, thank you for joining me tonight. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have an amazing, super special, awesome thing to show all of you guys. So let's see what it is. Let me just get my box. So like I was saying, I have an amazing, super special thing right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show all of you what it is. So this is the Countdown to Jenny's Favorite Things Christmas box, okay? 2024. And I actually ordered this in April of this year, and it finally shipped to me, I think it was probably about a month ago, and I've been holding on to it just for our videos. Look at this thing. Oh, it's so heavy, massive. Thank you, Helper Aya. Here it is. Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2024 box. This is kind of like the Missouri Star Quilt Company advent calendar, if you will, for quilters and people who do different kind of fiber arts, like some cross stitch and things like that. There's some novelty items in here as well. So I did pre-order this back in April. It was $201.35 to have it shipped to me here in PA. It might be a little bit different if your tax is different in your state. So I'm really excited. This is my first time getting this box, so I really don't know what to expect. I have seen a couple unbaggings here and there on YouTube over the years, and it really is kind of hit or miss. Either you love it or you hate it. So we'll see what I feel about this box, and we're going to go ahead and unbag it every single day over the next 24 days up until Christmas. And tomorrow is December 1st, so I'll go ahead and see you tomorrow to unbox this. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and just kind of open it and see what this is all about. On the inside, there is a little insert. I'll go ahead and read it to you. It says, "'Twas December's beginning in each quilter's house, not a sewing machine stirring, not even a mouse. So many gifts waiting, all packaged up tight. Jenny's morning reveals bring such joy and delight. Fabric and notions wrapped deep in the box, with each gift unwrapped. Quilt Town magic unlocks. Where's Chuck, you may ask, playing hide and go seek, ready to surprise you with something unique." Okay, it says visit msqc.co/Jenny's Christmas Box 2024 for your daily unboxing videos. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and bring those daily unboxing videos to you right here on my YouTube, so go ahead and like and subscribe to this video if you wanna keep seeing those. Next, we have this little insert as well. This says Merry Christmas from the Dones. You have Ron and Jenny Doan. They're so sweet. They're actually in South Africa right now. If you did not know, they're doing a missions trip, I think for 2 years. But yeah, so it just has a little bit more. It says, "Dear quilters, do you feel it? That special Christmas magic is in the air again. As we gear up for the holidays, I couldn't be more excited to share my Countdown to Christmas box with you. Inside, there are 25 hand-picked treasures just waiting to bring a smile to your face. I hope each one brings a little joy and wonder. Whether you're quilting solo or surrounded by loved ones, remember to take a moment for yourself this season too. You deserve it. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to you and your family. Love, Jenny." So it's really super sweet. There's a little close-up of the picture. Hopefully you can see it. I know it's hard to focus. All right, so inside we have these little envelopes, and there are some little boxes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those under this tree. And like I said, every day we're gonna go ahead and unwrap just one, and I'll show you here on YouTube. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna do a short or if I'm just gonna do like a little short video. I've never done a short before, so I feel like that's the most foreign to me. So we'll see what I do. What I want to do though is I want to make this a little bit more engaging. So if you guys could comment down below, what is your favorite holiday? It does not have to be Christmas. It can even be your birthday. I consider a birthday to be a holiday. So let me know down below what is your favorite holiday, and I will see you tomorrow, December 1st. Bye everyone, have a great night.